Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Mikai and today we're diving into how to give yourself a lash lift at home. Please keep on watching. First things first, let's talk about the kit you'll need. I'm using the 99 Eyelash Perm kit today. If you want to get this kit, please check the link in the description box below. This kit includes silicone pads, lash perming solution, setting solution, nutrition solution, cleanser, lash glue, and lift tool. You can use a cotton buds and dip it into the cleanser and start by thoroughly cleansing your lashes. Make sure they're free from any makeup or oil as this will help the solutions work better. As you can see, I have a very thin and short lashes that will also test if this kit works for short lashes like mine. Next, it's time to apply the silicone pads. For my lashes, I will use the smallest size. These pads will determine the shape of your curl, so choose a size that fits your lash length. Then apply a thin layer of lash adhesive to the silicone pad, dry it for 20 seconds and carefully place it in position. Hold it in place until it's secure. Apply a small amount of lash adhesive to the silicone pad and let it dry for 10 seconds. This tool is included in the kit and I will use it to gently lift my lashes in the silicone pad. Be very gentle in lifting your lashes because you might end up poking your eyes like mine. With the lashes secured in place, it's time to apply the perming solution. Follow the instructions on your kit carefully. Usually, you'll apply it to the lashes and leave it on for around 10 to 12 minutes. This solution will break down the bonds in your lashes and allow them to take on a new shape. I will leave it on for 12 minutes. After the perming solution has set, gently remove the perm solution with a clean cotton buds and follow up with the setting solution. This step helps to lock in the curl and strengthen your lashes. I will place it at the center of my lashes away from the skin. And again, I will leave it on for 12 minutes. Once the setting solution is done, then repeat the process by removing the solution. Using the cleanser, carefully remove the silicone pads and any excess product. For the final step, use the nutrition solution to nourish your lashes. And there you have it, your DIY lash lift is complete. If you have longer lashes, then this will definitely work for you. I hope you found this DIY lash lift tutorial helpful. If you try it out, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it and hit the subscribe button for more beauty tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!